So, if I started a YouTube channel in 2025, this is what I'll do. So I'm gonna just give y'all some raw advice when it comes down to this YouTube platform. I am still considered a small YouTube channel, even though when I really think about it, like talking to over 6,000 people is a lot of people. Now I want y'all to realize that YouTube is not a easy journey, okay? It is not just a journey of I create videos and I post them and I get a whole bunch of views. YouTube is a passion. It is a grind. It is where you learn how to build yourself, right? On and off the platform, but where you also learn how to build a authentic audience. Now you gotta realize that on this planet, bro, everybody's not gonna like you. They're not gonna like your content. They're not gonna support you. But you will have people that do genuinely support you. If I was starting my YouTube channel in 2025, which is about 2 months away, I would figure out what I want to do, what I want to talk about, what type of niche do I want to be in. I will also get comfortable with talking to the camera and realizing there is nobody around me physically, but I am talking to people. You see, the presence that you have, the energy that you bring on YouTube, people can feel that. And as people watch your videos, you gotta realize that some people only stay for the first minute, the first 2 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. But you as a creator, you have to find some type of creative essence within, and you have to find a reason to create YouTube videos that's bigger than yourself. Now, everybody got their own style of creation, right? Some people create relatable videos, right? Topics that people can relate to. But the most important thing is for you to just be yourself, be authentic. For me on this YouTube platform, I realize that it's not easy. And that's why I love doing it. I realize that there's millions of content creators on the platform, but I have a support system that supports me. People that watch me on this YouTube channel, and I'm appreciative of. And it took me time. It took me consistency. It took me years of repetition. And I still have many more years ahead of me to keep it up on my YouTube journey. I'm not the person that's here to entertain you, because in my reality, this is not the circus. I'm here to try to educate you. I'm here to try to help you. And I'm here to live in my purpose. YouTube has been a passion of mine since I was a kid, but it took me some time to actually put myself out there. I didn't start YouTube until I was about 25. I need y'all to let that sink in. You got some channels that started out way before that. You got some people that are never going to start because they fear the judgment of other people. But that's why they created the block button. That's why they created, like, you can stop the people from, you can hide the users from your channel. So when you focus on just being authentic on this YouTube platform, when you focus on building consistent habits of making the videos, and yeah, sometimes the videos may not do outrageous numbers, and then subconsciously you might compare your channel to somebody else's channel when you see somebody else's video blowing up. What you gotta realize is that YouTube is algorithm based, so you have to learn how to give things a chance, give things time, right? You may post a video, it may get 50 views in a day. It might get 100 views in a day. But at least you have some type of people that tuned into your videos. You know? As long as you try your best to stay consistent, as long as you start to realize that, yes, when you are monetized on the YouTube platform, after you reach your 4,000 watch hours, after you reach your 1,000 supporters on the YouTube platform and you apply for monetization and you get accepted, yes, YouTube is now a job. Because now you're making some type of income. I don't know anybody that makes income and doesn't consider it a job. Now, for the mental aspect, you have to be mentally strong. You have to have thick skin, because there's going to be people that's going to constantly judge you, but they don't even know you. But you got to learn how to manage that. If this is something that you really want to do, you have to be willing to focus on your channel, focus on your audience and what they want. You can't compare your channel to other people's channels, because then that's when you get off track. You could be putting that time and energy into learning how to edit videos, learning how to add B-rolls, just producing valuable content, evergreen videos. You know? Me personally, I have a passion for this. I don't mind putting out a video a day, or if I have to, 2 long form videos a day, some YouTube shorts here and there, or every day, whatever I have to do, you know, go live. I don't mind it, because this is what I want to do. And I'm going to find a way. If I can't find a way, I'm going to make a way. You understand what I'm saying? I got the endurance. I have the mental strength to do this. And sometimes, yeah, bro, you may feel like some type of way if your video don't do super duper numbers, but it's okay. Who's to say you don't post a video and that video blows up and that blows your channel up? I see it in real time on other channels, so I know for my channel it can happen as well. There's nothing that's different. It's just talking to a camera. It's just being authentic with the audience and being authentic with yourself. It's just embracing the audience that you do have and bringing that energy every day. Because just like you clock in at your job every day, you got to do the same thing for this YouTube journey. Because this is a part of your purpose, to add value to other people out there in the world. You know? And it takes a lot of work. It's a grind. I tell you that all the time. YouTube is not just I'm going to post videos and just blow up and think that that's it. And after I blow up, I don't have to post videos anymore. It's not that. This is a consistency journey. You know? I just cracked over 900,000 views on the YouTube channel. Now I'm close to 1 million views, right? I probably got 98,000 more views to go. But to crack 1 million views on the YouTube channel has been a goal of mine for a very long time. To hit 10,000 YouTube supporters has been a goal of mine for a very long time, even to hit 100K. But I know what comes with this. It's the consistency game. You know? And you just gotta be willing to do it. You gotta be willing to bet on yourself. You have to see the bigger picture. Excuse me. The internet is broad, so you have to realize that, there's plenty of people that will gravitate to your channel. Are you willing to put in the work? Are you willing to persevere? Are you willing to stay true to the journey? Those are the questions you gotta ask yourself. Because sometimes, yeah, it could be a little bit mentally draining. But nobody ever said that anything that's worth having is going to be easy. Nobody ever said that. So if I were you, and if you were starting a channel, if you decided to start your YouTube channel in 2025, I would let you know, as me being a content creator with over 6,000 supporters right now, this YouTube journey is not easy. It is one of the toughest things that you will do. It's more than just press record a video, post a video. It's way more than that. You have to care about your audience. You have to care about yourself. You may have some days where you feel like not posting, but those are the days where you should be posting. And you gotta realize, bro, this is a long-term journey. Don't compare yourself to other channels. You get inspired. But you gotta remember, you have your own channel. You gotta stay disciplined. You gotta stay committed. And most importantly, you have to believe in yourself. Because it's possible for anybody if you just put in the work. Alright? So, and I got this title idea from Jordan Welch. I was just searching up some things on YouTube and I found the title, if I was starting a YouTube channel in 2024. So I'm just gonna add 2025. Just thinking ahead. But I appreciate y'all for rocking out with me. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comments below. I'll be back at it with some more videos for y'all. It's your boy Thomas Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.